I was one of a bunch of people, that helped create Hyperledger Fabric. We called it OBC back then, Open Blockchain, and then somebody got that name and we had to call it Fabric. Actually, true story, a developer on my team named the GitHub repo Fabric, and that's why it's called Fabric today.
Wow, that's a great piece of history there.
Hyperledger Fabric is one kind of distributed ledger technology that got its inspiration from blockchain, which is usually accredited to a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto and the Nakamoto methodology of keeping a distributed system in sync so that state is agreed upon in a Byzantine fault-tolerant manner, right? Which our developers, I'm sure, will understand. You want transparency, you want the provenance of these products. Also, you want to be able to say, like the beer, you want to say, these are the components of this beer, and isn't it cool that your hops came from Gilroy?
Yes.
And that sort of thing, right?
Yeah.
And I'm sure you could do that. Why didn't we do that years ago? Well, I think that's where blockchain transcends just the technological innovation, and it's really kind of triggered this Pandora's box of collaborative innovation where legally separate entities are coming together to do novel things to bring the state of technology forward, but we're on a journey, and that journey is interesting. So today, provenance on the blockchain, what's going on with food safety, and the fact that when we start to merge these private blockchains and the public blockchain in a way where I can have something very private between you and me, that has the tamper resistance conferred upon it from the public blockchain. So you and I can't play shenanigans on each other. I can't change the rules on you. You can't change the rules on me because the public blockchain is preventing it. But the public isn't finding out about our private information.
Well, this brewing application was built using Oracle Blockchain Cloud Service, was built using the Oracle database, built using the Oracle Cloud. But for the developers, what would you say to developers? What should they think about? What should they do?
Take the application that your team built and say, okay, now, how can I use this to create new token economic incentive structures for the suppliers in that to work together in a new way? It's about business models, right? And using the innate nature of blockchain, public and private, to change the way we organize ourselves to be more efficient.
Great. Well, thank you, John. Really appreciate you being here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.